I will share you how to make Nampla Prik Thai chili fish sauce, the ultimate Thai condiment that we put almost in everything, especially fried rice or any Thai food. It's supposed to be salty, sour, spicy, and a little bit sweet. You know, if you cook something salty, little bit sugar just balance the flavor. And for the people who doesn't like, someone who doesn't like garlic, you can use shallot. Shallot is make a little bit sweeter. And this one, in Thai restaurant, any Thai restaurant, you're gonna see this one on the table. It's okay. We put in definitely fried rice, pad Kra Pao, or anything, blah blah blah. We call again Nampla Prik. Nampla just mean fish sauce, and Prik just mean chili. Okay. Bye bye.